them red roses and had them delivered to the house. Right. I put them in some Home Depot paint buckets, right? 100 roses in each bucket. So you got 2,000 roses spread up into 100 different buckets. And I tell the four of them, well, you guys take turns and you split up and you go to this sector, and this sector in town. And you go to every bar and restaurant in that area. You do it between 2 and 4 p.m. And you go speak to the manager or the bartender that's working at the time. And you ask them permission to come back during the peak hours of 8 to midnight, right? You always give them a free rose when you go in. They love it. They say yes, right? Now here's the deal. This is what I told them. Now, look at the numbers on this, man. This sounds stupid. This is one of those ideas you're like, no way, dude. Really? Yes, way. You could do this today if you wanted to. You could go do this shit. The thing is, when you see the people to do this, you don't respect them because the type of people that generally do this are not doing this as a business. It's a hustle, right? If you